Hello everyone! Today I will be reviewing and swatching Born Pretty Gel Polish. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first is the Born Pretty Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel. And next is the Born Pretty Luminous Eggshell Gel. And Born Pretty Gel Color Shade BWH114. And next is the Born Pretty Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel. And the Born Pretty Luminous Macaron Gel. And now I will be swatching them. So I'm gonna start with the Born Pretty Gel Color Shade BWH114. So first, make sure to shake the bottle before using it. And then apply a thin layer of first coat. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply the second coat. Cure again for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat. And then cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. It is very pretty and unique green color. So let me know what you think about this color in the comment section down below. Next, I will be swatching the Born Pretty Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel, but first I applied black gel polish on my nail as my base color. And then apply Born Pretty Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel. So apply a thin layer of first coat. Do not cure yet. Place the magnetic stick on top of the nail for at least 10 seconds and make sure it doesn't touch the nail surface, and then cure for 60 seconds. So this is the magnetic effect. And then apply the second coat. Make sure to shake the bottle before using it. So apply a thin layer of second coat. And then place the magnetic stick on the top of the nail for at least 10 seconds without touching the nail surface, and then cure. And then apply super top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. And this is the result. I love this gel polish because it has an amazing special effects. It has the reflective glitter effect, and then the cat magnetic effect with the lights on, and then it is super glossy, and it also has no irritating smell, and it is a long lasting up to 45 days. And now I will be swatching the Born Pretty Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel, but before that I applied black color gel polish on my nail as my base color. So first, make sure to shake the bottle before using it. And then apply the first coat of Born Pretty Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel. So just like the Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel, do not cure yet. Place the magnetic stick on top of the nail for at least 10 seconds, depends on however you want to design your nail, and then cure. This is the first coat, and I noticed the holographic effect of the gel polish already. And then apply second coat. And then place the magnetic stick on top of the nail without touching the nail surface. And then cure for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat. Cure again for 60 seconds. So as you see, it has the reflective glitter effect, it has the cat magnetic effect, and it also have the holographic effect, which is very beautiful. You could see a different colors blinking, and it is also super glossy and fancy. You can also use a different colors as your color base. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 when you buy Born Pretty products. So next is the Born Pretty Luminous Eggshell Gel. But first, I will be using the shade BP21 as my base color. So apply a thin layer of shade BP21 as the base color. You can also use a different base color. Cure for 60 seconds. So apply a first coat of Born Pretty Luminous Eggshell Gel and then cure for 60 seconds and then apply the second coat. It is important to fully shake up the glow-in-the-dark eggshell gel so that it can be more evenly distributed when applying. Apply top coat and then cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like with the natural light. You can choose any color for as your base coat. And this is what it looks like in the dark. Born Pretty Luminous Eggshell Gel glows in the dark. Another unique special effect of Born Pretty gel polish. So next is I will be swatching the Born Pretty Luminous Macaron Gel. This is also a glow in the dark, so make sure to fully shake up the bottle before using it. So first apply a thin layer of first coat and then cure for 60 seconds. Next is apply a thin layer of second coat and then cure again for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. And this is the result, and this is what it looks like with a natural light. It is a beautiful light purple color shade. It is soft and neat. It is super glossy, and this is what it looks like in the dark. As you see, it glows in the dark. It is beautiful color and I love it. So I really love Born Pretty gel polish because it is long lasting up to 45 days. It is super glossy. I love how easy it is to apply, and I love all the special effects on the gel polishes. And it is made of healthy ingredients. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.